Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a sketch pen. First, let's gather our simple materials. You'll need an empty pen barrel, a cotton swab, and a small piece of felt. For the ink, water-based ink or even food coloring works wonderfully. Make sure you also have a pair of scissors and a small bowl ready. These items are easily found around your home, making this a fun and accessible project for everyone. Now, let's craft the pen's nib. Take your cotton swab and trim it so it fits neatly inside the pen barrel, with about 1/4 of an inch protruding. Gently shape this exposed cotton into a fine point using your fingers. This will be your writing tip. It's important that the cotton fits snugly within the barrel to ensure a smooth ink flow and prevent any unwanted leaks. Next, we'll assemble the pen's body. Take your small piece of felt and carefully insert it into the pen barrel. This will serve as your ink reservoir. Then, firmly push the prepared cotton swab nib into the front opening of the barrel. Make sure all the components are secure and aligned. A well-assembled pen ensures consistent ink delivery and a comfortable writing experience. Finally, it's time to ink and test your creation. Carefully add about 10 to 15 drops of your water-based ink or food coloring onto the felt reservoir inside the barrel. Give it a moment for the ink to fully saturate the felt and reach the cotton nib. Now, grab a piece of paper and test your new sketch pen. Enjoy your custom-made writing tool.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.